If you want to change wallpaper on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, all you have to do is we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, find personalization. And then if you scroll down in here, we should be able to find a bunch of different wallpapers that we already have on our phone. We can find many different system wallpapers. We also have super wallpapers, which have an animation or transition actually from always on display to lock screen and then to the home screen. Which, for example, over here I have an example. We have these mountains that have this little really cool animation between these different menus over here, different screens that we can use on our phone. And besides that, we have, for example, these pretty cool looking wallpapers as well, so we can even tap on more over here in order to find more of different examples, and you will definitely find some interesting wallpapers in here, and you can probably use them on your phone. So for example, I'm gonna use this one over here. There we go. You can also see how it looks like on the lock screen and the home screen. And in some cases, we also have additional options at the bottom of the screen. For example, over here, if we go to these wallpaper effects, we can, let's say, apply the blur and the scroll effect. And we can press apply in the upper right corner once we are ready. And of course, we can set the wallpaper to the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna set it for both. We can also toggle wallpaper carousel if you want to, but personally I'm not a fan of that. I don't like my wallpapers changing. And there we go, this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.